Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday, but today I thought I would bring you guys along another healthy what I eat in a day and share with you what I've been eating, which has helped me lose over 20 pounds. So I know I just recently uploaded one of these, which I'll link above and have down below, but I'm making one of my go-to healthy dinners today, so I thought I would just bring you guys along and do another one and share with you other options when it comes to healthy meals and snacks that I like to go for. As you guys saw this morning, I did go ahead and make my breakfast already, which I'm ready to eat, let me tell you, but I just started by making 2 eggs. I put a little bit of sriracha sauce on it because I love everything spicy. And then I just have a couple like small slices of rye toast. This was just the ending of the toast, so I thought I would finish it up. Put some cottage cheese, which is my new latest obsession. I can put cottage cheese on literally anything. It's just a really good, affordable thing to have for some added extra protein, and it just tastes super delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'll bring you guys along and share with you everything I've been having for my meals and all that good stuff. So if you guys like these videos, thumbs it up, it really helps me out, and I'll catch you guys and update you guys once I am eating something else, because your girl definitely needs to start by eating this. Breakfast done. This is what my salad is looking like. So as you can see, I added some rice into my salad. This is a good way to make it a little bit more filling, and this is just jasmine rice, and I also have some grilled chicken, romaine lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and I did add a few almonds for some healthy fats. I am gonna add this Baby Bell into the salad as well right now because I honestly love these, and I love cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into the salad and also drizzle on some olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette. Voila, I added in the cheese as you just saw, and then just drizzled a little bit of olive oil and balsamic. That is just my go-to salad dressing that I've been loving. It tastes really good, and a lot of salad dressings are full of added sugar and just a bunch of stuff that isn't the best, so I just tried to use this as my dressing and I enjoy it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead, shake this up, eat this, and then I'll update you guys once I am having a snack. Many of you may know by now that I love to have a bunch of different snack options. I am definitely a snacker, and I try to find different things that I can have, and today I am going to just be having hummus and crackers. So I just have this little mini hummus packet. I really like these because it helps give you a good portion. And then these are the crackers that I love. They're from Costco. They're gluten-free, plant-based and vegan, no artificial colors and flavors, and these just taste really good. They have sesame, quinoa, flax seeds in them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and have a few of these crackers with my hummus, and then I'll update you guys once I am making dinner. It is currently time to make dinner. I just want to get everything prepped because it is going to take me a little bit of time. Today I just want to make some chicken. I'm going to go ahead and season that. I'm also going to make some stir-fry vegetables, and then I'm also going to chop up some sweet potatoes and throw that in the oven as well and season that. I'll let you guys know everything that I use to season everything, and it's going to take probably like an hour by the time everything's done, an hour and a half maybe even by the time I prep everything. So I wanted to get a start on dinner because I try not to eat too late. I don't like eating at night, and I like to usually finish off eating altogether by at least 7 p.m. is usually when I kind of start to wind down, have my tea, and just enjoy the rest of my evening. So I'm gonna go get a start on that, and I'll show you guys how it ends up all turning out. This is what the sweet potatoes look like chopped up. I also went ahead and started to preheat my oven to 425 degrees, but I just wanted to share with you my seasoning. So all I put for my sweet potato is a little bit of pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and then a little bit of chili powder. And of course I start by drizzling olive oil onto the sweet potatoes, mix it all together, and then put it onto a sheet pan. So I will share with you guys once that is fully done. This is how the sweet potatoes turned out. So I'm going to put this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. Now I just have my chicken laid out. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Chosen Foods avocado oil spray. It's just a lot easier to spray it on. And then my spices I love to use for chicken when I'm kind of just want it quick and fast and easy is just throw on this Greek blend spices. This tastes super good, and my go-to spices when I kind of want to get something done fast. And of course I just add a little bit more garlic, and I'm good to go. I'll throw this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, flip it halfway through, but I'll show you guys once it is all spiced up. It is now time to throw this in the oven. This is how the dinner turned out. I just have the vegetables, my chicken, and then of course this is how the sweet potatoes turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this as my last meal for the day. My last snack for the day are going to be these Quaker savory tomato and basil rice cakes. I'm probably gonna have 2 of these. I absolutely love these. They have so many different flavors, but this is by far my favorite flavor right now. And honestly, it is just such a good snack, especially if you're someone like me who loves chips and salty foods. I love to just have this, and just having 2 of these honestly satisfies that craving, and it just tastes really, really good. So if you like things like that, definitely try out this flavor, but this is gonna be the last snack for the day. I'm gonna end off the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me throughout my day. Thumbs it up if you guys like these videos. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post every single Tuesday and Thursday. And with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!